Hello, our topic is to cover pipe and cistern. So let's start. So this is a tap can fill a cistern in 27 hours. Means एक टैप है जो 27 hours में हमारा टैप fill करेगी. And another tap can empty the full cistern in 36. Let us assume this is B and empty the tank in 36 hours. So if cistern is initially empty and both taps are open together, find the time required to fill 1/4 of the cistern. First of all, we need to calculate the LCM means total work. So total work is 27 into 4. I hope so all of you know how to calculate it. First off, take common 3. Oh shit. Then remain 3 9 ja and 3 12 ja. So ये अपना ये हो गया. फिर then further we take common 3 3 ja and 3 4 ja. So our LCM is 3 into 3 into 3 into 4. So 27 into 4. So the efficiency of the A is 4 and efficiency of a 36 is 3. So both cistern and this B cistern is used for empty the cistern. So this is negative. So our total A plus B efficiency is 1. Required 1/4. We need to fill the 1/4. This is total work and we need 1/4 of it. So multiply 1 by 4. So 1/4 is 27 and efficiency is 1. So 27 hours to fill the cistern. Let's go to the next. This question from RRB J 2025. Two water supply A and B can fill reservoir individually in 10 hours. Same question. A takes 10 hours and B takes 12 hours. And one is discharge. For empty the tank it takes 6 hours. First off, take LCM of it. 12 2 the 24 36. 12 here 36. This is not divisible by 10. So our LCM is our LCM is 60. Our LCM is 60. Efficiency of A is 6. Efficiency of 12 5 and 10. This for emptying. So overall efficiency is 1. And here, if all three are open together at 7 am, at what time will 1/4 of the reservoir will be filled? Here is also need to 1/4 of work. So 16 to 1/4, this 15. We need to fill 15 unit. So and as we know the formula, total work equal to time into efficiency. So our total work is 15. We need to calculate time and our efficiency is 1. So time is 15. So time is 15 means 15 hours 7 am plus 15 hours is 10 pm. Means 7 plus 5 12 and remaining 10. So 10 am to 10 till 7 pm our cistern is filled. Go to the next. Third one is from AAI ATC. A cistern is filled in 40 minutes. Cistern is 40 minutes due to a leak. It takes 10 minutes longer to fill the cistern completely. So it takes longer. So 10 minutes longer means 40 plus 10 means 50. Take LCM. The LCM is 200. Efficiency with this is 5 and this is for leakage, so minus. So our efficiency is 1. How long would the leak alone take to empty the full cistern? So our total work is a full cistern means time 200 total work and 1 is our efficiency means 200 minutes. Answer. Here is option but I'm not added it. 2 pipes. A can fill the tank in 27 minutes and B fill the tank in 36 minutes. So if both pipes are open, we already know the LCM of it. This is 4 and 3. After how much time would we close a tank full in here is in 20. This is full question. So that the tank full in, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि टैंक हमारा 27 मिनट में फुल हो जाएगा, बट हम ये पूछा है कि बी कब कितने टाइम बाद बी को फिल कर देना चाहिए. तो हमें पता है कि हमारा लेट अस अस्यूम आवर वर्क इज 1 एंड ए की एफिशिएंसी कितनी है. मान लेते हैं कि ए हमारा let us assume efficiency of A is 27. Efficiency of is 27 and it's working for 20 because in question says in 21 minutes tank will fill. So this is for A and V. I don't know how much time B takes to fill it. So let's take X. Okay. And efficiency of a B is 36. So first we need to calculate the value of X. 3 7 ja and 3 9 ja. 1 equals to 7 by 9 plus xy 36. We take LCM 36, 28 plus x. So value of x is 8 minutes. So after 8, first A plus B work for 8 minutes. After that A will do remaining minute, because our this is fill in third. A 21 minus 8 means it takes 13 minutes. A work for 13 minutes and A plus B work for 8 minutes. So how much time should we be close? So in 8 minutes. After 8 minute answer is 8. Pipe X can fill 7 minutes faster in comparison to the pipe. Efficiency of X and Y is given. The efficiency of X is 7 and Y is 1, because X is 7 times faster than Y. It takes 49 minutes for pipe X and Y to fill the tank together. So time into efficiency equals to total work. We have time 49 minutes and efficiency of both is 1 plus 7. So we calculated total work. How much time will pipe V alone fill the full tanks? So time for y. Total work divided by efficiency of y. So total work is total work is total work is 49 into 8 and efficiency of y is 1. So product of 49 into 8 is 392. This is the answer. In earlier question, 8-minute answer. Thank you.